How to sign into YouTube TV on Smart TV. Step 1. Open the YouTube TV app, turn on your Smart TV, and navigate to the YouTube TV app. If you don't see it, go to your TV's App Store and install it. Step 2. Select Sign In. Once the app is open, look for the Sign In option and select it. This will take you to the activation screen. Step 3. Get the activation code. A unique activation code will appear on your TV screen. Keep this screen open. You'll need this code for the next step. Step 4. Visit YouTube activation page. On a phone, tablet, or computer, open a web browser and go to tv.youtube.com/start. This is where you will enter the code. Step 5. Enter the activation code. On the YouTube activation page, type in the code exactly as it appears on your TV screen, then click Next. Step 6. Sign in with Google. You'll be asked to sign in with the Google account linked to your YouTube TV subscription. Enter your credentials and follow the prompts. Step 7. Confirmation. Once you've signed in, your Smart TV screen will automatically refresh and you'll be logged into YouTube TV. Enjoy YouTube TV. That's it. You're now ready to browse live channels, watch on-demand content, and enjoy your favorite shows.